Thank you for buying this 11036 folding bar stool from Fixture Displays. This is a great chair to use for your island, your basement, or even your restaurant, your bar, and so on. The frame is made from carbon steel, powder coated silver, has a nice protective sleeve. There are four levelers, very easy to install. In case you need to replace some of those, we do supply that part. Phone number is 15546. Setup is very easy. You just want to push it down and it should lock. You should hear a clicking sound. It's fairly sturdy and take a fair amount of abuse. If you have any questions, feel free to email us. Our email address is cs@fixturedisplays.com. I invite you to browse fixturedisplays.com for other products and services we have. Fixture Displays offer a wide variety of business and consumer products. In addition to stock items, we also custom make. If you have a project, we'd love the opportunity to manufacture for you. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.